Good morning, student. Today we discuss the topic vector and its point is three-dimensional. That means 3D coordinate system. You know that 2D. 2D means x-axis and y-axis. In this point, three-dimensional geometry. That means three-dimensional coordinate system means three axes: x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. It has into x-axis, it has into y-axis, it has into z-axis. Point A point x-axis होती है, point B y-axis होता है, it point C, it point O means G, this point P, L, M. थोडक्यात काय होते तीन प्लेन आहेत x o y. x o y plane is perpendicular to the z axis. The plane y o z perpendicular to the x axis, and the plane x o z perpendicular to the y axis. Here this point is on x axis means याची कोऑर्डिनेट येतात x 0 0. हा बी पॉइंट y एक्सिस वरती आहे, याचे पॉइंट येतात 0 y 0. हा पॉइंट c z एक्सिस वरती आहे, याचे पॉइंट येतात 0 0 z. पुन्हा हा यर पॉइंट कुठे आहे बिटवीन द x and y एक्सिस. म्हणजे पॉइंट काय असतील x आणि y चे. इथे z कोऑर्डिनेट येत नाही, म्हणजे x y 0. हा पॉइंट यर कुठे आहे y and z मध्ये, म्हणजे इथे x येणार नाही 0 y z. n कुठे आहे x आणि z मध्ये, म्हणजे कोऑर्डिनेट काय असते x y येत नाही आणि z. आणि p पॉइंट कुठे आहे, हा p जो पॉइंट आहे त्याचा रिझल्टंट असणार आहे, तीनचे कॉम्बिनेशन आहे. तो p पॉइंट काय x y z. आणि o म्हणजे काय ओरिजिन 0 0 0. हे झाले 3D इमेज किंवा फिगर x ॲक्सिस y ॲक्सिस z ॲक्सिस, त्याचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स, त्याचे पॉइंट. पुढचा पॉइंट त्याच्यामध्ये जो आहे तो डिस्टन्स ऑफ p x y z from the coordinate system. Distance of p from the coordinate system. That means first distance of p. That was the first distance of p from xy plane equal to distance of point p from the xy plane. The distance is equal to pl. This is mod pl, but this distance is x y z y x y z z आहे. x y कॅन्सल होतं, ते किती असणार आहे mod z. सेकंड डिस्टन्स ऑफ p from y z plane equal to the distance of point p from y z plane equal to किती आहे ते डिस्टन्स इम्पॉसिबल मॉड मध्ये घ्यायचं. डिस्टन्स pm इज त्यानंतर मॉड x and third distance of p from xy yz xz plane equal to xz प्लेन कुठे आहे आता इथं xz, ते किती असणार आहे pm. that means is mod y. pm म्हणजे किती आहे ना mod y. त्याचा डिस्टन्स ऑफ पॉइंट p from the coordinate system. Next is distance of any point from origin. Distance of any point from origin. Distance of any point P x y z from origin, that means O. This O point is we have this OP, we have OP square, that means length OP is equal to, length OP means square root of OX square plus LP square, that means int triangle, since int triangle conduct triangle है तो O here P is a right angled triangle. Therefore, this is equal to square root of, again this OX square means int triangle OAL, that means this is OS square plus AL square plus LP square, since in a right angle triangle, so the triangle OAL is a right angle triangle. Therefore, this is equal to this OS square as it is. This AL means OB, because these sides are parallel, means same. OB square. This LP square means this LP is same as OC square. This is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. That means distance of any point P x y z from origin is square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Distance of any two points in a space. Distance of any 2 points in space. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. This A point is x1. Suppose this point is x1, y1, z1, and P x2, y2, z2 in a space. Distance between 2 points A x1, y1, z1 and B x2, y2, z2 in a space is given by, that means length AB is equal to, using distance formula, is given by square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square plus z2 minus z1 bracket square. Next is distance of point P x y z from the coordinate axis. Next point is distance of point P from the coordinate axis. In figure, the distance PA, in figure, the distance PA, this PA is perpendicular to the x-axis. The distance PA is perpendicular to the x-axis. Hence, distance of P from x-axis is given by PA and is given by given by distance PA, that means when PA is equal to square root of point P is x, y, z, a point is x, j by a, that means is given by x minus x bracket square plus y minus z bracket square plus z minus z bracket square is equal to, this get cancel, this is equal to square root of y square plus z square, y square plus z square. Next point is sines of a coordinates, sines of a coordinate of a point P x y z, of a point P x y z in different octants. आपल्याला माहित आहे जर x and y axis असतील, these are the both quadrant. x axis म्हणजे फर्स्ट येतो, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंट मध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह दोन्ही, सेकंड मध्ये निगेटिव्ह पॉझिटिव्ह, थर्ड मध्ये निगेटिव्ह आणि फोर्थ मध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह. साइन्स ऑफ coordinates of a point P x y z in different octants. टेबल थोडक्यात आहे ते octants. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ octants. This is x y z, o dash x y z. हे ना पॉइंट तीन कसे असतील. नेक्स्ट इज o dash x dash y z. हे ना निगेटिव्ह, दोन पॉझिटिव्ह. तर असेल o x y dash z, जे इथे पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह बघत असेल o x dash y dash z, that means negative positive octants x y z. Fifth quadrant 6 7 and 8. Fifth 30 positive negative, that means O x y z dash, that is positive negative. 630 O x dash y z dash negative 730 O x y dash z dash, that means positive negative and third, and last is number 8 O x dash y dash z dash, that means negative. These are the quadrants. In first quadrant, the signs of x y z axis is cosine. Second, negative positive. Third, positive negative. In fourth quadrant, negative positive. In fifth, positive negative. Sixth, negative positive. In seventh quadrant, positive negative. And last is 8, negative. Next theorem statement: if A1 B1 C1, if A B C are three non-coplannar vectors, if A1 B1 C1 are three non-coplannar vectors, any vector, then any vector alpha in this space, then any vector alpha in this space can be uniquely expressed as a linear combinations of A1 B1 C1. theorem statement if A1, B1, C1 are three non-codependent vectors, then any vector alpha in this space can be uniquely expressed as a linear combinations of these vectors. theorem second extension आहे त्यासाठी इथे फिगर आवश्यक आहे. मध्येच एक 20-30 भाग घेतो. पॉइंट ओ ए इथे बी सी ओ ए means A vector, O B means B vector, O C means C vector. N O P Q R and S. First point, this is OA, A B C. Next point, here O P L M N Q R S. This is the shape of parallelepiped. OQ and OA guys in the same line, that means this is x into this vectors congenial. This OA and OB congenial means y into B bar, and OS and OC these are the congenial means z into C bar, and this OP means alpha. अशी फिगर आहे त्याच्यामध्ये फिगर भाग मेन आहे. ग्रुपमध्ये suppose three vectors A1, B1, C1 are non-codependent. तीन वेक्टर कसे आहेत? non-codependent असतात. The lines OA, OB and OC are also non-codependent. The lines OA, OB, OC, these are the non-codependent. एक सर्किट आहे म्हणजे AOB सर्किट आहे, BOC सर्किट आहे आणि AOC तीन प्लेन कसे आहेत? सेपरेट आहेत. Vector OA means A bar, the vector OB means B bar, and vector OC means C bar. Again, the vector OP bar is equal to R bar, BD with OP as a diagonal, this OP bar is equal to R bar with OP as a diagonal. Construct a parallelepiped having coterminous edges OQ, OR and OS respectively. Construct a parallelepiped having coterminous edges, that means OQ side OQ आहे, OR and OS respectively. Since the vectors OQ, OR and OS are congenial with A bar, B bar, C bar respectively. Therefore, there exists a scalars x, y, z is not equal to 0 or not equal to 0 such that this OQ bar is equal to x into A bar, this OR bar is equal to y into B bar and this OS bar is equal to z into C bar. This OQ means x into A bar, इधर मध्ये आहे OR means y into B bar and this OS bar means z into C bar. Now by triangle of addition of vectors, this OP bar is equal to in triangle. OP bar means OL plus LP. This is equal to, again, this OL means OQ plus QL. In using triangle of addition of vector, OL means OQ plus QL plus LP. This is equal to this OQ as it is. This QL means is same as OR because LP means LP is same as OS. Since QL is equal to OR and LP is equal to OS, that means this R bar is equal to OQ means x A bar plus y B bar plus z C bar. Therefore, any vector R1 can be expressed as a linear combination of A bar, B bar, C bar. Hence, any vector this R bar can be expressed as a linear combinations of A bar, B bar, C bar. त्याच्यामध्ये शेवटचा भाग आहे तो युनिकनेस. Effect this R bar is equal to x1 A bar plus y1 B bar plus z1 C bar. Where x1 y1 z1 be the non-zero scalar. Therefore, here the same means the same x A bar plus y B bar plus z C bar is equal to x1 A bar plus y1 B bar plus z1 C bar. Therefore, x minus x1 A bar plus y minus y1 B bar plus z minus z1 C bar is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus x1 equal to 0, y minus y1 equal to 0 and z minus z1 equal to 0. Since this A bar, B bar, C bar are non-coplannar vectors, these are the non-coplannar vectors. Therefore, x is equal to x1, y is equal to y1, z is equal to z1. Hence any vector R1 can be uniquely expressed as a linear combination expressed as a linear combinations of vectors a, b, c. Vector sequence is position vector of a point P x, y, z in a space. Position vector of a point P x, y, z in a space. Again, using this grid geometry figure, that means this is x-axis, x, y, z. Here the point is A, here M, P, N, A, B, C. We have to find position vector of this OP. This is x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. The position of vector OP नेहमी तो x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. तो कैसे जो तुम्हारे साथ करेंगे इसे x I cap plus y j cap. I cap, vector is j cap, this is k cap. I cap means unit vector along the x-axis, j cap means unit vector along the y-axis, and k cap means unit vector along the z-axis. Yj cap ZK cap, x I cap. The distance same है, distance same है. And OP is same as PL is same as OC. और AL. Figure है. Consider a point P. Consider the point P, x, y, z in a space with respect to origin O. It has name origin astos with respect to origin in the vector OP1. O is the initial point and P is the terminal point. O is the initial point and P is the terminal point. Since figure this OA equal to PM is equal to X. OA equal to PM is equal to X. That means X I cap. Next. This OB is equal to PN is equal to Y. OB is equal to PN or CM. Same as our bus. This is equal to Y. And OC equal to PN is equal to Z. OC equal to PN Z. That means A point as लगाए x 0 0, B point 0 y 0, and C point 0 0 z. That means A point is x 0 0, B point 0 y 0, C point 0 0 z. Let I cap, j cap, k cap be the unit vectors be the unit vectors along the positive directions of x, y and z axis respectively. Let I cap, j cap and k cap be the unit vectors along the positive directions of x axis, y axis and z axis respectively. Therefore, vector OP bar is equal to the direction I remain to die x I cap. This OP bar is equal to y into j cap and this OC bar is equal to z into k cap. OA bar is equal to x into I cap. OB bar is equal to y into j cap and OC bar is equal to z into k cap. OP bar is the position vector, P dot P means position vector of point P with respect to origin, and this is denoted by P bar. OP bar is the position vector of point P with respect to origin. Next point is the representation of vector OP in terms of I cap, j cap, k cap. Representation of vector OP in terms of unit vectors, that means I cap, j cap and k cap in triangle OLP. We have, that means using triangle combination of vector, this OP bar is equal to OL plus LP. This is equal to again in triangle OAL, that means this OL means OA plus AL plus LP, since in triangle OAL this is equal to this OA as it is, this AL is same as OB and this LP same as OC. AL means OB plus LP means OC, and this is notation means alpha is equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap is component of x I cap, component of I cap, j cap and k cap is, that means representation of position vector of this OP bar means alpha is equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and magnitude of this OP bar, magnitude means mod OP bar is now in triangle OLP is a right angle triangle. This OP square equal to OL square plus LP square. This is equal to OA square plus AL square plus LP square, since again this triangle OAL is a right angle triangle. This is equal to this OA square plus AL square means OB square, LP square means OC square, that means is equal to this R square, that means is equal to x square plus y square plus z square x square plus y square plus z square. That means then OP means magnitude is equal to mod r is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. This is the magnitude of vector OP. Square root of x square plus y square plus z square